Racing Jazz is started. We have Reyes Gold. Break quickly to start. Rushing up now. The outside is blowing hot. Canadian Girl Bow wearing in between horses. Princess Angelica. No peso, no dance. Then next online is Alexis Touch. While Supervise is the early trailer by about 8 lengths of the leader. And going along for the first turn, we have Bow Erin maintaining a length and a half lead. Princess Angelica in second. Canadian Girl is racing in third. 4 lengths further back in fourth. Now is Reyes Gold. Blowing hot. No fast, no dance. Alexis Touch while Supervise is still running at the tail of the field. Back to the leader. We have Bow Erin maintaining a length and a half lead. Princess Angelica. Canadian Girl. No peso, no dance. He's still in fourth. Then comes Reyes Gold. Alexis Touch. Supervise while blowing hot. Now running at the tail of the field. Another far turn with Bow Erin followed by Princess Angelica. Canadian Girl, no fast, no dance. Then down the inside is Reyes Gold. Moving up on the outside is Alexis Touch. Supervise and blowing hot as they swing for home. We have Princess Angelica now takes command. Bow Erin is on the outside. Reyes Gold joining them, moves over the outside to take the lead. It's now Reyes Gold followed by Princess Angelica. Bow Erin. No fast, no dance. Canadian Girl, Supervise, Alexis Touch, and blowing hot.
Ipinukus na nung ating cameraman dito